So today we'll be installing LeafSpring Clamps on the Nissan D21 right here. I already put them on the other side. No, I just started recording because I already forgot. But yeah, we'll be installing them today. So let's get to it. First, you gotta put this on here. This. Hold this shit. And put this. Put it like right here. And we install the washers and shit. Then the bolts. So this one, no, the other side. Dang. So the bolt size is 19, so I already got it right here. This is what I have to fucking do the whole time. Let me see, let me move this shit. There we go. Let's install this. To make it hella fucking jumpy. Literally no space between them. Barely, you can barely see. But yeah, shit is like 2 fingers. That's pretty low, not gonna lie. I already put the front ones too. Front ones right there. They're a little fucking off-centered, but it is what it is. I think I should fix these, but they're good. It's not like they're gonna fucking hit anything. And if they do, then it's gonna hit the bottom part right here. But this fucking LeafSpring is hella low. It's literally like 2 inches off the ground, 3 inches. So if this thing hits, I mean, it's probably gonna break this part off, but I doubt that shit's gonna happen. So we tightened up this side, let's go tighten up the other side. So there won't be any space on that side either, so let's get straight to it. All right, we're on the other side now. So let me tighten this thing up real quick. You know what, these might be tight all the way. I think these are tight all the way. Yeah, they are tight all the way. Oh, alright then, so we're good. Barely any space between them, as you can tell. You see, yeah, you can barely tell there's any space between them. So yeah, I think this is like the same thing. I mean, you could fit like 3 fingers in it, and the other side's only 2, but it's the same shit. It's chilling. Yeah, they should have sold up that it already hits the frame. It doesn't go any lower, it just stays right there. That's how low it is. I think the other side's the same thing. See, this side has fucking space to move. That side doesn't. I think I should loosen up the other side just in case. Yeah, I think I'm gonna loosen it up. I'm gonna loosen it up just a little bit, just in case we fucking hit some shit. And then the bolts say, bye-bye. Man, this shit doesn't fucking... Man, bitch. The fuck? Let me try to take this shit off real quick. Alright, so I got it to loosen up. Loosen up the other side. That shit is hard as hell. Alright, I think this shit's good. Let's see. This shit is still fucking stiff as hell. Alright, loosen it up a little bit more. Let's see. I think it'll be good on this side, the other side. Let's see, as long as there's space for it to go up and down. Alright, yeah, we're chilling. As long as there's fucking space between it, so, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me see, I don't know if you can see it. The bump stops are literally biting it right there. I was thinking of cutting it off, but I'm probably gonna hit the frame up here, like right here somewhere. Probably get hit like right there if I take this shit off. But yeah, you know, 4-inch blocks. Fucking LeafSpring Clamps and taking off that. I'll probably get lower, but I don't know about all that shit. I'll probably fucking bend this shit out. Or I could get skinnier wheels. I'll have them to like right here, because these are, let me see, 195/60 R15s. So I'll probably get 195 by like 50. Yeah, 195 by 50. They'll probably be lower. They'll probably be down to like right here. But I have more space right here, and I'm gonna have to lower it more. But I'll do this shit in the future when I have the paycheck coming in and shit. So yeah, this is just today. Installing LeafSpring clamps on all 4 corners. Over there, right here. The ones right here, and the ones on the other side over there. You can barely see them, but on that side. So yeah, that's today's video. Peace out, guys.